Hey guys, Fisherman 12 HD here with part 2, and well, I'm gonna probably switch over to a bobber now since I've been using that worm. Got a couple bites, haven't caught really a fish other than one video. Might have it still. Might upload it later as just a video that never got uploaded but made a long time ago. Maybe like one of those videos. But let's just switch to something I know. Ow, we could probably catch this one, you know? Let's go, guys. There it is. There's just a little piece of enough one in here. Only yep, and I forgot I need about it. I just want one freaking fish, please. Yo! Stop trolling. Okay, can I get it all the way to the back? That's where they always are. And I know if I get it back there, I can catch one. Like, that's not even maybe. Yeah, by that brush pile. That brush pile I was talking about. Right in front of it. It'd be cool if I could do bass, you know? That'd be awesome. Good. Come on. I just really wanna. Okay, I have a little boat too. A bit, not really that big. It's just a metal one. I really want to use that. I just want to bring that down here. Throw it in, jump in, and just have paddles with it. So start paddling around in here. I definitely, first thing I do, go right here and just sit out there and paddle. Because I know that was it. Okay, that was actually a little bit better pass. Not all the way out there. Not all the way out there. Right there. I'll take it. That fish gonna go for it. Yo, come on, fish. Come on. Yo, two. Come on. Please go for it, please. Now I'm begging fish. Come on. Channel is good. Begging fish for HD. Yeah. That's all we're gonna do today. We're gonna catch one thing. Hopefully. Try no back. Why are you saying this? It's gonna be okay though, because oh yes! We got it out there, guys. We got one loose, like it went right over the knot, so got it loose. It's out there. Now watch me not even touching his hand. Dang. Probably just beat myself. Yeah. Probably already watched this. Yeah. Let's think about it. Let's see. Best fishing trip ever, guys. Really. Wow. Two fish looking right at it. There's you, not one of them. Wait, is it? Yeah, no. Nope, nope. My gosh! Sorry. Well, I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter, because you're freaking kidding me. Wow. Duty too. I mean, it's pretty much gone. I mean, holy crap, I'm gonna just have to cut it off. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, though. Really, I do appreciate it. If you're watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. Like this video, share it. I don't do daily videos. I actually just do them sometimes, but I try to do daily videos, but well, I'm gonna go cutting this right now. Ow, okay, I just kind of hit myself in the face. But I cut it. Okay, I'll take it. Now there's a freaking gob of line out there. That's whatever. I just want to get home right now. Crap. Okay, here we go. Just gonna put this knife up. Oh, should I take you guys up there with me when I walk up there? Show you guys what it's like. How much time do I got left? 7 minutes? Okay, yeah, I got time. I don't know, guys. Should I upload? By the time you're gonna see this video, I mean, one of them's already gonna be uploaded. Should I upload the 6-minute one or 20-minute one? I don't know if I can even upload that. That's probably too much time. I'll see though, guys. Okay, so I guess this isn't even an outro, but whatever. Let's just get going here. Here it is. Tackle box. Step on the storm bush. Get the pull through. Just right. Okay, nope, that's not. Maybe that might work. Can you kinda? Nope. Ah! We made it out alive. We made it out alive, guys. Holy crap, that was crazy. My hair's totally all jacked up. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm slipping on stuff. This is not good, guys. We're free. We're free. Woo! We made it out. I really want to show you guys the other side of that creek. It's actually pretty cool. There's like 2 mini ponds that are over there. There's like one that's actually kind of like decent size. And there's another one that's like okay. And there's just a little creek. And then it runs into that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It runs into that over there. So, yeah. That's pretty much what it looks like around there. So, showing you guys that. Now, the pond that I was telling you guys about earlier. I don't know if you guys actually heard me talk about it. I don't even know which video I'm going to be uploading. I'm so confused right now. I made 3 videos. I mean, the first one was like 6 minutes long. Someone ended up calling me. Second one, because the person called me. That's the place over there. You probably can see that house over there, though. You probably can't even see that house over there. He owns like 100, 200 acres over there. They're actually moving out. My sister's gonna probably buy it, she thinks. I don't know. And if she does, she's buying like 2 razors. You know I'm taking those over there every day. I'm making hot videos for you guys. I want to catch some like 6-pounders over there. No, just kidding. I've actually been over there on my PB out of there. I think I've caught my PB out of there. Not sure. It was definitely over 3 though. It was like 5. I mean, possibly. I'm not even joking. Could be 6. It could have been a 6-pounder. It was definitely a 5 though, or 5 or 4, 4 or 5, something like that. But that could be my PB. But I caught this one over at this other park. That's a big pond. It's a really big pond. And I caught about 4, 5, 6. I think 4 or 5. So I think over there is actually my PB because I think it was a 6-pounder. So, but over in that park that I'm talking about, that pond, they're a Kentucky largemouth mix, and they grow extremely big and get big fast. Like, so that's about spawning time for them. It's March, obviously. Hello, Kiki. Hello, Kiki. Hello, Kiki. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go and end it here, guys. I'm actually gonna be making a video in a couple hours or so. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be using over there at that pond or just anywhere, because it's spring's coming up, guys. Bass are gonna be hitting the banks, and I'm gonna be drilling them. Okay, been making killer videos with you guys, catching some big bass. Show you guys what I'm gonna be using. So see you guys later. Fisherman 12 HD out.